Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can upgrade your crypto.com Visa card, and I'm gonna upgrade my card, so I'm truly very excited, so stay tuned. So first of all, you have to make sure you have enough CROs for your card upgrade. So I'm on my crypto.com account on my phone. It's also a super handy application, so easy to buy and sell and do everything. So I think that it's a must-have. You have different kind of cards. As you can see here, the Midnight Blue is all for free. You can get your Visa card all for free. If you haven't gotten a crypto.com Visa card yet, I'm gonna tell you how to immediately make some money. You can register with my link in the video description, and then, as we see here, referral bonus, refer and get $25. So you get $25 by using my link. Catching! Also, I get $25. So the moment you get your card, you refer friends, you can do exactly the same. So you can turn that into a money-making machine as well. As you can see here, I referred 6 friends and I earned $150 in total. Here's my referral code, as you can see. So I made this money in CRO. So since then, CRO has risen in price. So I made a little bit more money. But now let's go to my accounts. Let's go to my crypto wallet. Then I go to CRO. And then the CRO I locked up, as you can see, is 549 CRO. This was enough for my 350 euro card. So you see there the upgrade. So I click on upgrade. 100% back on Netflix. So as you can see here, with the 3,500 euro card, the first 6 months you get the money back for your Spotify and your Netflix. If you go higher, the 35k card, then you get all of this for free. But what I think is great is you get airport lounge access. So if you don't know what it is, if you often are on airports, it's a lounge that you can enter for free with this card starting from 3.5k. You can enter for free drinks, free food, and you can just chill out there. So super excited, continue to lock up. So there's 40,798 CRO needed. I have 44,000. So voila. Review upgrade. Boom. Your initial CRO lockup rewards will be added to this upgrade and reset to 180 days. Confirm. I enter my passcode. And boom. And I earned 100 diamonds. Will be held for 180 days. Would you like to upgrade your card to the next tier? Of course. What color is nice, guys? I like green. I like the green card. It's a special card. So as you can see, what I think is also very important, the 2% CRO cashback. So here you can see everything again. All the information is here. Purchase and hold 3.5k worth of CRO tokens for 180 days to receive the Jade Green card. Yes, please. Pay anywhere Visa is accepted. Select Jade Green card upgrade requested. So now I want to ask for the physical card so I can get my airport lounge. So I can show it in the airport and boom, I can get some free food, some free drinks, which is always nice. So as you can see on my screen, we go to card. Then I click on the right upper side. Haha. This is now my crypto card, crypto.com card. Then you see get a physical crypto.com Visa card, get now. We'll ship it to there. You confirm your address and boom, physical card application complete. We will ship the card to you shortly. Yes, 3.5K. Yeah, I feel like a G. Everywhere I come, I pay with my crypto.com Visa card, so I get the card cashback. Before this was only 1%. Now it will be 2%. So, for example, if I go to the shop, I do my groceries, I pay 100 euros, $100. I use my card. Boom. Now I get $1 back in CROs. But when I have my new Jade Green card, I will get 2 euros or $2 back in CRO. If you believe in CRO, and let's say imagine in 10 years and the price has skyrocketed, then your original $2 you got back from your $100 purchase in the shop, that $2 might be worth even more than the $100 you paid. Who knows? This is speculative. I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you my vision. If you're still watching this video and you think it's interesting to buy a card, well, make sure to use my referral link in the video description so you can get your first $25. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video interesting. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you want to get some more tips and tricks on making money with crypto, but especially on how to build long-term passive income streams, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So I hope to welcome you all soon on my channel, and I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.